Are you feeling under the weather with a cold or cough? Before reaching for that antibiotic, let's pause. Viral infections are self-limiting, meaning they'll run their course. On the other hand, bacterial infections need more attention. How do you tell the difference between the two? Look for these key signs. If you have fever and pus with high neutrophils, it's bacterial. If you notice no pus and your lymphocytes are elevated, then it's likely viral. Understanding these differences can save the strength of antibiotics. So, let's be smart about our health decisions, shall we? Stay informed, stay healthy, and let's protect our antibiotics together. Follow @doc.ish for more health tips.